Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Mercedes car key battery. It's a simple process that you can do at home in just a few minutes. First, make sure you have a new CR 2025 battery ready. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver to gently open the key fob. Having a clean, well-lit area will make the task much easier and prevent any small parts from getting lost. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button on the side or back of your key. Press it and slide out the metal emergency key. This reveals a small slot where you can insert your flathead screwdriver. Carefully twist the screwdriver to create a small gap, then gently pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay attention to its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR 2025 battery using your screwdriver or fingernail. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Press it down firmly to ensure it's seated correctly. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the mechanical emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Now, the most important step, test your newly reassembled key with your Mercedes. Ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, work perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.